Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the cooking nurse and I am back. Yes, I've taken a small break because I had some issues, but yes, I am back and we are starting to upload every week once again. Thank you so much to you who have been watching, subscribing, liking and sharing my videos even when I wasn't uploading. Just know I'm really grateful. And in today's video we are going to be making a beef burger. So in this video we're just going to need few things. I want you to understand that this is just a homemade burger for someone who's just at home and they don't want to go to the store or a food outlet to buy a burger. You can just use these simple home ingredients to make one at home. We'll need butter, we need salt and black pepper, we need a few tablespoons of cornstarch, we need a bun, we need grounded beef, we need cucumbers. If you have pickled ones, much better. Mine are just fresh and seated in vinegar. We need a tomato, red onion and fresh lettuce. So we would also need an egg to hold everything together, and then we also are going to use noodle spice, instant noodle spice, and then we'll also be using cheddar cheese. You can just buy this from the store already packed or just like that. So we're just going to get our ground beef and mix it or season it with black pepper and salt. Just put enough but not too much so that it's not too salty, and then we'll just add in a little cornstarch so that everything is held together, and then we're just going to go in with one egg. Now everything depends on how much ground beef you have at home. If you can buy already made burger patties, you just do that. No need to go through all this. But if you just have your beef and defrosted already and you just want to make something quick, this is how you're going to be doing it if you're going to use my recipe. So I just add in this instant noodle spice because of its flavor. It really smells and comes in so nicely, so usually I love using it. So mix everything together. And just like that, once it's done, just hold in the dip your hands in oil so that the meat doesn't stick to your hands, and just make small balls according to how many patties you just want to get out. Remember, I'm using a big bun, so I'm just going to get out maybe three balls, maybe three burger patties, so that they are big enough to fit in the bun. So you just roll them like this, and then it's time to start the cooking. We have our pot. Just put it on fire and add on a tablespoon of butter. You can also use oil, just anything that you want to use. So how we're going to make these, we just put them on here and then press them so they are more flat. They don't just stay balls, they are more flat to be able to sit in the middle of our bun. So we keep on turning this until it's cooked through. If you want, you can also cover the pan and make sure it cooks through. But meanwhile, a burger is just have to be, everything has to be in the middle of this bread. So we're just going to cut into it. Next time I'll use a much sharper knife. Yeah, but for now, just cut into two and just keep it aside. And then cut the rest of the things that you're going to be using. The cucumbers are already cut, so I'm just going to cut the tomatoes into small round shapes, and the onions just to get simple rings. You can also use pickled onions if you don't like the smell of fresh ones, but I just prefer using the fresh ones because they come in really so flavorful. So we're just going to put our buns here. They absorb the remaining butter and get that crispy feel or finish before we assemble our burger. So just like that, there's when you can buy this already made burger sauce, or you just make at home. I already have a video where I'm making a chicken shawarma. I made this sauce. Please, if you haven't watched it, I'm going to leave it in the description box. Make sure you watch it and you see how to make that sauce at home. So our patty is almost ready, and on this side we are setting up because we want to put it on when it's still hot. So we're just going to put on our cheddar cheese, one strip. It's really thick enough. We're just going to add on our cucumbers. We're still here assembling our burger. Add on the onion rings, just like that. You can add as more. So the cheese is melting, but we are going to cover because we're using a home pan and the heat is really not like coming through so hard. So just cover for the cheese to melt. So on top of that, we're just going to add there a fresh leaf of lettuce, and we are going to add there some sauce, so that when we sit there our beef patty, it doesn't slide off quickly. I don't know about you, but I just feel like when you do it like this, everything gets more juicy. Like it gets everywhere. So the cheese has melted fully and it has covered our beef. So we're just going to put it on top of what we already put down, and just like that add on some sauce, little sauce. I told you everything has to be juicy. This is how I do it. I don't know how about you. Maybe you can share your own recipe in the comment section and tell me how you do it at home. But just like that, I am done. I'm just going to put on the top part of the burger and it's ready to serve, to enjoy all the juices, all the flavors, all the goodness of this burger. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'm just hoping to see you soon in my next video. I'll be uploading every week. Please subscribe if you haven't, like this video and share with your friends, and I'll see you. Bye.